So one of the first mods, or one of the first things we're going to do to the Mini is, when I was walking around it, one of the things I noticed is how stained and discoloured these headlamps are. So our first bit of work on this is going to be to clean them up. So let's go pop the bonnet and let's get them cleaned up. Cheers. Right. Lovely thing about this is, because it's a full clam, is obviously we're not going to have anything in the way. We're not going to catch any of those parts. So let's give this a go. Let's get the power out. So we're just going to do something very, very simple, which I've done loads and loads of times before. I'm actually going to use a polisher for this. You can do it by hand, but like I say, I'm going to use the polisher. And I'm actually using some fast cut. I haven't got the box, so obviously I put it in this tub. I'm going to use some fast cut cutting polish. We don't need to put loads on. I'll just use my thumb because I'm being lazy. Right, now we're going to dab it on the headlamp and then right, so you've seen that's a very, very quick going over. Let's just see what it looks like already just by doing that. Let's have a quick look. So we know that's what it looked like a second ago. Even with just that quick going over, it's already starting to shine. Now you can sand these down, and you can sand them down so you'll get it a lot further deep and take out all the scratches, but these don't actually look that badly damaged. So we're just going to use this. Let's turn the speed down a little bit. Now I can see I'm getting a lot better up here, but obviously we haven't really touched the bottom half. So we're going to get a good bit of pace because we got it here. This is kind of where the main wear is, and you can even hear it under your finger. Hopefully you can hear that difference, and then the difference down there. It almost sounds like sandpaper at the bottom.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm quite happy with that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a bit of a polish on it and then put a wax on it. Then I'm going to show you the comparison between this one and the one that I haven't done. I'm going to be using Meguiar's Ultimate Polish, one of my favourite. I only ever use Meguiar's polish. So I'm going to use a little bit of that on it. Dab it on. This is just going to give it that a little bit of a cutting polish. This video has been brought to you by Tarmac Sports, the performance parts specialist. They can not only provide you with the parts to repair your car, they can also provide you with parts to modify your car, and they have workshops at Derby that can do all these things for you. Well, this is their website and this is a telephone number. Right, well, let's get back to making some cool videos. Let's go. Okay. Right, I'm just going to go over with Maguire's wax now. So this will do protection on it, but also gives it that little bit of a pop. I don't know what's in it. It's a Canuba wax version. Like I say, I really try to only ever use Maguire's. I really do love Maguire's stuff. So we're going to let that go off a little bit, and we'll come back in a moment. So just polish it up a little bit here. Just taking all of the coverage off. Oh, drop it on the floor. That's a good way to keep it clean. Right, so let's have a look. First of all, let's have a look what it did look like. So you can hear it. That sandpaper looks quite rough, very, very dull. And now we have this. So if your car's failed its MOT because of these fogged headlamps, you can actually go and get a Maguire's headlamp restoration kit, which does roughly the same as what I've just done here. You don't have to have a polisher, and you can wipe these off and they will pass an MOT. Well, we're going to get on to do the other one now.
Where did you go? We used to be kids, now I feel so grown. I miss being free to be me, not alone. I used to have friends, but we don't talk anymore. I guess that's on me, I got busy. I used to drink soda, now I switched to whiskey. I didn't want time to pass, but time is fast. I just wish you were more than memories. I got kids now, but I'm a kid now. I haven't grown in my mind, just my skin now. I don't get taxes, I hate chores, I hate mail, bills, and miss the outdoors. I feel like the air used to smell different. The grass was greener and the summers were for swimming. I used to play baseball every inning. Now I work for a living.
And there we go. So fully now cleaned, and look how clean that headlamp comes out. So we can close down this bonnet and then you'll get the full reveal. Come. Let's get the full look of this now. So you saw what they looked like before, and now they look so much better. They're not perfect, but to be honest with you, who's going to argue with that? They look really, really good. Okay, well, I hope this video was very useful. If it is, please do hit that like button, leave me a comment, and we'll see you in another video. Hit that subscribe. Take care.